guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 Amazon gadgets that will blow your mind. Most of these I found on TikTok, some of them have gone viral, and as I've been scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, if I've seen any really cool products, I've basically saved them and now I've bought them in and I'm going to show you them today. Some we've been using for a while, a few I'm actually testing out for the first time today, but all of them are really cool. Some are genius. And I think there'll be a few in here that you won't have seen before. So I hope you really enjoy this video. I love finding cool new products, and I'll be sure to put all the links in the description down below if you want to find out more. But with all that said, let's get into the 10 Amazon gadgets. Oh, and if you are new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe. I am getting very close to my next milestone and I would love to have you as a viewer. I upload twice a week and I'd love to have you. So the first product that I wanted to share with you guys is one that I shared over on Instagram Reels and people went crazy for it, and I can't believe I've only just discovered it now. Would have actually been good earlier on in motherhood, but it's a maths roller. It's such a simple, inexpensive product, but it's basically a stamp that is on a roll, and this side is subtraction, and there's loads of different numbers so you can twist them around so the equations are always different, and then you basically just roll it on paper like this and it will give you loads of different equations. Ours is quite well loved. The boys have been using it for a few weeks, but it also came with extra ink as well, and then this side is addition. And you can also get it in subtraction, in multiplication and division as well. But you can just obviously do a roll and then say, okay, answer them. The boys think it's really fun, really cool. It encourages maths. I know there's loads of different apps and things that you can use out there, but this is so cool. The next product that I wanted to share with you guys is a remote retriever, and this is actually going to be really handy for us because we have a child that hides the remote from us, and I am constantly losing my keys as well. And in this kit you get a little remote like this, but then you also get loads of different retrievers. You get right from A to H, so you can attach these to lots of different things. So say A, we're going to actually put onto our remote, and it comes with stickers. So you can either stick them onto products, you can stick it onto the remote so that when you actually press A, it will do that. And then it also comes with these little rings. So if you wanted to put it on your set of keys, you can do that. If you wanted to put it in a bag, on an iPad, there's so many different options. It came with all the batteries, all the stickers, really easy to set up as well. So if you're constantly losing stuff, this might be good for you. The next product is for the keen baker. It is this stainless steel rolling pin, but the reason it's different is because it comes with these adjustable discs on each end, and you can basically twist them off and then choose what thickness you want your dough to be. So there's all different ones. There's 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, or 10. So say if you were making pizza, maybe you'd want it to be thicker. If you were making cookies, maybe a bit smaller, whatever you're looking for. You can choose which one and then screw the thing back on, and then you can actually roll your dough out to be the right kind of thickness. You don't have to kind of just guess for yourself. So yeah, I thought that was really, really cool. It is big though. You have to find a place for it, that's the only thing. The next product is an automatic magnetic stirring cup. I know this might not be a necessity, but it looked so cool, and it might be for a mum. Comes with a little capsule like this. It's basically a little magnet, and that goes in the bottom of the cup, and you also put batteries just in this bit here. Then when you put your water and your instant coffee, milk, whatever it is, you just press this button and it stirs really quickly, so it will just stir the drink up for you. And it's also a thermal mug as well that comes with a lid, so you could definitely take this out with you with the buggy or on the school run or whatever. So let me show you it with liquid in it. Right, so let's give it a try. I've got coffee, milk, water. See if it stirs it up. Oh yeah!
Yourself so much time, honestly.
I'm so
what
glad.
Are you gonna do with all that
my
time
arm
you've just
doesn't
saved?
hurt.
What are you gonna do with it like that?
And then when you're out, you can just randomly go and stir it up.
I wish it just went all over.
That is actually quite cool though. The next one that I wanted to show you is in the freezer because it is like a cold tray that you can make instant ice cream or frozen yogurt on. So when I saw this, it really reminded me that when Matt and I went traveling when we were younger, we went to Australia and there was a place there called Cold Rock where you could basically choose the ingredients you wanted in your ice cream. They would pour it on a freezing thing like this and then like chop it up. So you just pour the cream on. You can put Oreos, crunchy, whatever you want, and you basically like chop it up. And because it's freezing, it will freeze it into ice cream. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes. You kind of like spread it out and it makes ice cream. So we're gonna test it out with the kids, but you can also do it with yogurt and fruit as well if you wanted like a healthy dessert. But I just thought it would be really cool because we loved that place. And also you can hire things like this for parties. But I thought I would actually just try it and then maybe we could have it at home if we were like entertaining or we wanted to like make a cool ice cream. I just thought it would be really cool. Next up, I wanted to show you these little hand warmers. I know spring is around the corner, but it's still pretty cold where we live, and especially when we're going to football matches or evening football training or things outside and it's freezing. These are great for the kids. You get 2 in a pack like this. I actually got a really big pack on Amazon, and then they come out like this. You shake them. I also want to shake it too much, I don't want to waste it, but you shake them up and then they're really warm for 8 hours. They last the full 8 hours because once I sent Jackson to school with them, they came back still hot. They're called little hotties. They can keep them in their pockets, or I actually stuffed some in my boots at football the other day. They're just really nice and warm. They'd be perfect for skiing or something like that. And these ones, they last the 8 hours, but I have also heard that you can get reusable ones. So once you've used them, you can then boil them in a pan and like reactivate them or something. But it's something we only discovered this year and it has been really cold. And yeah, so they're really, really cool. This next one is quite a funny one, but it's a great way to clean your microwave. This is called the Angry Mama, and the way that you use it is you take her hair off and you fill her with half vinegar, half water, put her hair back on, and then you microwave her on high for 7 minutes, and it really steams up. All the steam comes out of her head, hence the Angry Mama, and then it like softens any stains or mess that are in your microwave. And then you're supposed to leave it for 2 minutes, I think, to just cool down, and then it's much easier to wipe and to clean it. So I thought that was quite cool. It comes with all different hair colors as well. There was red or brown, but I got blonde because I'm blonde. I just thought it was quite a cute little cleaning gadget. The next gadget that I got is an electronic jar opener. I know some people might not need this, but I really struggle to open jars, so I can't imagine when I'm older how I'm gonna do it if I don't have Matt around. But you just basically put 2 little batteries into this, and then you can place it onto your jar, press this button, and it opens it for you. So I thought I would show you that. It's actually quite big, which is annoying, but it really does work.
What do you mean, when Matt's not around and you bought one?
What do you mean?
And you're gonna kill me.
Next product that I wanted to show you is great if you're very sensitive to light like I am. It might sound silly, but you can get these red light blocking stickers. So if you have any on your bedside table or your TV or any gadget that has a little red light that keeps you awake, you can actually block them with these little black stickers. I'm sure you could probably use a different sticker or cover in another way, but I just thought that was really cool because it's something that I actually need. Next up is another kitchen gadget. This is a mini garlic crusher, and I really wanted to test it out because, as you may have seen in my cooking videos, I always buy the garlic paste so that I can avoid crushing garlic or cutting garlic myself. So all you do with this is you open up the top, chuck the garlic cloves in it, and then basically roll it on the counter, and it's supposed to crush it really quickly for you. So let's see if it actually works. You kind of push down. Oh! Let's see. Kind of. It's not like tiny.
Just stick to the paste. Or you could chew it with your mouth.
I was saying I like garlic because it repels Matt from me. Just kidding. Kind of. They're quite big chunks. I wouldn't say it's a crusher. It's more of a mini chopper.
Thumbs down.
I'm not loving that. Okay guys, that's everything that I wanted to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. I think mine is probably the maths roller still. It's just so cool. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!